and we continue our educational video series. Today we'll provide a brief illustration of the BimRv Database containers. Additionally, we'll illustrate a case of addressing a container directly with some practical purpose. Overall, BimRv Database may contain, depending on the situation, about 20 different containers. During today's presentation, we'll try to focus on the most important ones. We are already familiar with the element table container. We used it in the previous demo to iterate through the IDs of the elements and then address those elements. AppInfo Manager. AppInfo Manager is the container of named managers that are used by the application itself or its subroutines to get set properties, address necessary elements, and etc. Next, Style Settings. Style Settings container includes style-related containers, such as category table, material table, font table, field pattern table, and many others. And finally, Dev Branch Info. Dev Branch Info contains the product information, username, language, file version, and other related parameters. As a practical case, let's consider we have the following task. Say you have a storage of models and you need to manage the storage. Sort, group, filter the models in the storage. For this purpose, we need to do the following. We need to access, extract, and dump the file properties in this storage. And as a target for our dumper logic, let's consider the following attributes. First of all, model file version. It's obvious, it's an important one. Next one, file language. As you understand, nowadays the cooperation chains are widespread around the world, and the file language is an important thing as well. And next we'll also consider three string attributes: file owner, file author, and file user. And it is our first step to the data analytics area, because we'll compare those attributes and we'll check whether or not they're filled. Because as you understand, it's very important that the necessary attributes are properly filled in within a model. As the base for our current diagram, we'll take a diagram from our previous video, but we'll slightly modify it. First of all, we'll remove iteration through all the containers. We'll add addressing the necessary containers directly instead. And then in those containers we'll obtain the necessary attributes. Thank you very much for watching. That's all for today. We'll show you the demo project in our next video.